I am repeating again. Computer aided process planning represent the link between design and manufacturing in CAD. The link between design and manufacturing in CAD. Please stop. Process planning is concerned with determining the sequence of processing, determining the sequence of processing and assembly steps and assembly steps that must be accomplished to make product that must be accomplished to make product. Okay, now there is diagram or block diagram for CAPP, that is computer aided process planning. Some extra thing you will write in exam. First write in block diagram, then we will discuss each and everything. Identify, sorry. Identify the feature of the part to be manufactured. Okay, first we have to find out the part that you are going to be manufactured, means what are the features you are going to make, what are the properties that our manufacturing material have. Okay, you have to find out each and everything related to your part. Okay, second step, retrieve standard process plan. Retrieve standard process plan which correspond to the part to be manufactured, the part to be manufactured. Means after identifying the feature of the part to be manufactured, you are going to retrieve. Retrieve means that already have the manufacturing techniques or the standard techniques according to different standards. You have to employ the techniques, or retrieved means you are going to use that same type of techniques that you are using earlier. जो हम लोग पहले यूज कर रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड टेक्निक्स, उसी को यूज करेंगे, ठीक है। यानी स्टैंडर्ड टेक्निक को यूज करना हम लोग को, विच इज अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर different standard, that is according to ASTM, ISO or whatever the standard for our product. Okay, retrieve standard process plan which correspond to the part to be manufactured. ठीक है, जो भी पार्ट हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चर करना है उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो स्टैंडर्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस है उसको हम लोग यूज करेंगे। ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, review oblique modify existing process plan or write new process plan. Means now after the retrieval of standard process plan for manufacturing, you may review or modify the existing process plan. Means the process plan that you are using now, you can review it or modify it according to your standard process plan. अगर ऐसा नहीं है, स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेस प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग ही हम लोग चल रहे हैं, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ये स्टेप हम लोग छोड़ सकते हैं, ओमिट कर सकते हैं। गॉट इट, ये स्टेप हम लोग छोड़ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इस स्टेप को हम लोग यूज करेंगे। अगर कोई भी प्रोसेस प्लान यूज नहीं करें तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, राइट न्यू प्रोसेस प्लान। और कोई भी हम लोग प्रोसेस प्लान को यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नया प्रोसेस प्लान भी यूज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, format the process plan. Here format means you are not going to delete everything that you are doing in your chip, microchip or your external data storage device. Okay, यहाँ फॉर्मेट का मतलब ये है कि जो हम लोग प्रोसेस प्लान को सेट किए हैं, ठीक है, उसकी फॉर्मेटिंग करेंगे, उसको एक फॉर्मेट के रूप में देंगे कि पहले क्या होगा बाद में क्या होगा, हर स्टेप को हम लोग फॉर्मेटिंग करेंगे। ठीक है, हर स्टेप की जांच करेंगे, हर स्टेप को कौन सा स्टेप कहाँ होने वाला, पहला स्टेप कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट होगा, देन आफ्टर दूसरा स्टेप कितने टाइम में कंप्लीट होगा, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ प्रोसेस प्लान। ओके, एक आखिरी था, पता नहीं ये दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है, हाँ दिख जाएगा। लास्ट पॉइंट, यहाँ पे ये छोटा सा लिखा जाएगा, या ऊपर वाला मिटा देते हैं। Print the process plan. Print the process plan for further review. For further review and for sending to manufacturer, and for sending to manufacturer. Okay, means now printing the whole process plan, printing the process plan for further review if there is chance for review. Okay, if there is still chance for review, you will print and review it. Otherwise you are going to send the printed material to the manufacturer, and manufacturer is going to start working according to process plan. Okay, so now that is uh, still we have time. Now this is all about process plan. We had seen process plan. We had seen the definition of process plan. Let's revise those who had not connected yesterday. For those people, I'm repeating the definition of process plan. According to American Society of Tool and Manufacturing Engineer, according to American Society of Tool and Manufacturing Engineer, process planning is the systematic, you may write or not, but I'm repeating for you. Process planning is the systematic determination of the methods by which product is to be manufacturing, by which product is to be manufacturing or manufactured. Important things, economically and competitively. This important thing, economically and competitively, means you are going to manufacture the things but in economic manner, and the things that you can withstand in your competitive environment. Okay, so that's all for the process planning. In next lecture we will start a important topic, that is group technology. Okay, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं. We have 2-3 minutes. Group technology. Okay, group technology means you are going to set or going to categorize the product according to their similarities of properties or similarities of machining. Okay, means you are going to categorize things. Say for example, you are making 5 mm diameter of rivet, 10 mm diameter of rivet, and so on. So you are going to club 5 mm diameter of rivet at once, and you are going to manufacture at one place or with the help of one machining. Means you are going to use a batch type of production in this. Okay, so we will discuss group technology in our next class.